Oh, look at that knife. This is not sold, and I decided I was going to high polish a blade and then blue it. Let me use my other hand here since it doesn't have the ugly fingernail. So I haven't done the tang or the spine yet. I just now got done buffing this wood. And I'll tell you what, I think, don't think I'm going to put true oil on it. I buffed the wood mainly because I wanted to buff the pins real shiny. And I did. And I like it. I like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to acetone the tang and the spine, and then I'm going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to blue the back of the blade and under the tang here, like this. And then my sheath, I've got this new dye, it's burgundy. And that's what I'm gonna make a sheath with some burgundy dye on it. And I get $155 for these. If you're interested, let me know. This can be yours. In a few days, I'll be done with it. Well, there we have it. I like it. All right, on to the sheath now. Well, that's gonna look downright pretty. Yep. Let this dry just a little bit, put a second coat on, and go to sewing her up. Okay. That is my latest and probably last blued knife. I don't think I'm going to do these unless people ask me to. I like it, but not enough to continue doing it without. I mean, it's just a finish that it's just one more finish in my bag of finishes. To me, really, the one I like the most is the stone washed. So here is the sheath. The glue is drying. I'll sew this either late this afternoon or got it on my finger, or in the morning. And now I can't pick it up because I got sticky fingers. That's what the back looks like. And that just goes really good. Okay, so this is for sale, $155, shipped to your door. And my next knife is going to be a Texas Rumble with a synthetic handle. It will be my first synthetic. And if you'll recall, it was the white synthetic stuff that Jantz sent me to try. There we go. Look how shiny them pins are. Okay, I guess I'll give you one more shot when this is sewed up and wet formed. What I do is sew it up and then soak it in water, wrap the knife up in plastic wrap, stick the knife in, and then take my fingers and form it around the knife. And anyway, let it dry. So I'll show you one more clip when this is done. Probably a couple more days because I still have to put an edge on the blade. All right, getting a bit of a late start. I'm going to sew this. And when I'm done with the sheath, I'm going to put these are the hood latches for my wife's little Simplicity yard hauler. And put them on there. And let's see. Oh yeah, probably going to pressure wash the floor of my garage. And because today, look, it's not raining. We've had 6 inches of rain in the last few days. It's rained every day for several days. And I actually, oh my God, that yellow stuff. It's all over the ground. Oh God, yeah, it's been a miserable rainy several days. So let me, oh yeah, coffee first and then sewing. Even though I don't like this town that I live in, when I come onto my side of that gate and close it, it actually is a very peaceful life here. I'm sitting here drinking my coffee and looking out at the cows wandering around. For the first time in a few days, it ain't raining on them. And there's a squirrel right here above my finger on that tree that this guy is studying. And he's contemplating on whether he wants to jump down out of my lap and run out the door and go after it, or whether he's comfortable right here. I think he's just comfortable knowing it's there, and if he wanted to, he could jump up and snatch that thing right out of the tree, but he just chooses not to. Alrighty, I got the, I haven't done a whole lot. I got the edges all trimmed up. Now, I think I'm gonna stain it. And then I'm going to burnish it. And then I'll sew it. But first, we're still drinking coffee. Okay, we're done. Well, I haven't put an edge on it yet, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. Okay, it's for sale. Let me know. bctruck@gmail.com if you want it. $155 shipped to your door in the United States. And Canada, throw another $10 in there and I'll get it to you. Okay, I'm fixing to go out and do a couple things outside. Well, I had to brave the unwashed masses today and go get me some cat food. Who knows how long we're going to be holed up. So that is 24, and so it's 33, 34 counting today. So this cat has 34 days worth of food plus that. So within the next 34 days, surely I can make it to a store to get some more cat food. Well, it's happened. No meat in Wascom, Texas. Got bacon, but I can't afford that. Okay, let's see how long it takes Breezy to work his way down here to me. He ain't come out yet. There he comes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Any minute now. There's that boy. There he is. Come on. You come up here. You come up here.